Robotics, first of all, is we look at it as it's a fun program, but it's an interesting way to take on STEAM. That's science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics.
It's the number 8, okay? It's the number 8, so it has a little step like this. It's the F for this one. Look at the part right here. It will come out. Oh, so here.
We're enabling the students and making them more marketable for the society, marketable out in the world. They can take their experience from here and then they grow on that, whether they go to college or they go to a technical school or they join the military. They walk away with that from our district and they say, hey, I've done this before.
This one right here is your medium motor, and when you attach two things, this will do a turning.
And robotics, then and now, it essentially is the same thing. It's the movement, it's the programming, it's the wiring, it's the electronics. But it's what it's doing and what it offers to students today. And getting the students to get comfortable with today's technology is really important for them to be able to be competitive out in the world of today.